Hello, today we are going to upgrade the DJI Mic 2. It's a good product. It is a set with two microphones and a receiver, but you don't actually need the receiver to let it work. Today we are going to upgrade it. It's very easy. You just have to go to the website of DJI.com, and then you go to technical support, and then you go to the download page, the download center. And in the download center, you see the firmware. You have a firmware for the receiver, and you have a firmware for the mic. So I'm putting down the mic together, and I will do everything today. I now click on download the receiver. The firmware, it's a bin file, bin file with the receiver in it, and you also have a bin file with a transmitter in it. So I'm now downloading both. When this is done, it's very simple. You have to put off the receiver. You put off the receiver via the button on the side. You connect the USB-C cable like this. You connect everything to your laptop or to your computer, and then it will show you like a USB stick. It will show you the folder, and then you upload the binary file, the bin file. You upload it to the system. It's recognized as an USB stick. So I'm doing this now. DJI receiver RX, it's with RX written, RX version 04030831 point bin. So this is the firmware version. So I'm copying the file now to the system, copy, and I copy it to the USB stick. It's recognized as an USB station. I'm cutting and pasting the file now. And this goes very, very fast. We are doing this now. It's transmitting it, 24%. It's quite slow actually. I don't know why this is so slow, but it keeps stuck on 24%. I'm still waiting. I don't know what this is. It's my first time I do this, so I don't know if it is normal or not, but it keeps stuck on 24%. Okay, this is not normal. I will cancel the transfer, and I will try to do it again. Okay, this is very sad. I will do it again. RX file, copy, and then paste it. I'll do it again, paste, copying the file. I'm not sure why it goes so slow. 24%, and it keeps getting stuck again. I'm waiting. Yes, 48%. It's going faster now. 72%. still. This is very slow. It's stuck at 72%. Okay, I will pause the video for a moment. Okay, so it took some time. It took maybe 5 minutes to upload the file via the folder that was into. So you plug in the receiver and you get a folder like a USB stick. You upload the file, the bin file you uploaded to there with RX. And then the version number, point bin, you upload it to that USB stick that is connected to the computer. It's the receiver. And then when you're finished, you just plug out the USB-C cable and then it is updating. Now you see here updating on the system, and now it's updating the new file. And after that is finished, we go to see if the update went okay. So now it's still updating. It's still updating. It's still updating. It takes a lot of time. The updating is taking a lot of time. It is like that. We cannot change anything about that. We go to see how it works out. It's still updating. Time is ticking by. Time is passing. It's fairly slow. I never seen such a slow update until now. This is the first time. It is still updating. 1 minute. This is very, very slow. But I think it will come okay. To continue our video, I will also go to update the microphones now, and when this update is finished, I will tell you. So I will put this here, and I will check it later. So you have two microphones in the DJI box. In the case, it is very simple. The microphones can be on or off. You just connect it with the USB-C cable, just the same like you did with the receiver. Shared folder is coming up on your computer, and then you upload the TX file. So the TX is for transmitter, and the TX bin file, that's what you need. So you now go to upload it to your computer. You upload it to your USB stick. So you copy. I'm now copying it. New station detected, station D, and then I paste it. I paste the file. Voila, it only took a second. Now I disconnect this. I disconnect the cable, and then it has to start flashing red and green. Normally it starts flashing red and green if the update is okay. I will put it on. I will put it on to see what it is giving. It's not giving the result I want. I go to connect it again to the USB-C, and I go to check if the file is still there. Okay, I have now an update here. The update was successful. It's now from the screen, but the update went successfully through from the receiver. So this is okay. We go to check the setting. Okay, I'm checking it out. Receiver settings. I go to settings, I push on this, and then I go to version, and then you can see it's version 4.03.08.31. So this update has gone okay. It's okay. But now for the receiver, the microphones, we still have to see to update this. It's normally very simple. You just upload the file and it works, but it seems like it doesn't work. So we go to do it again. I copy and paste the file, the binary file to the microphone. I disconnect it, and then it has to turn red and green normally. Yes, now it goes. You see, it's now red and green. That's a signal that it is updating the microphone. And when this is finished, it is okay. So it's blinking red and green. I don't know what there was wrong. I just disconnected it. I connected it again. I removed the file and I uploaded the file again. And now I'm checking out the update. I'm not sure how long it takes to update, but it's taking some time. Now it's completely green again. I think the update is fine now. So I will put this microphone on the side, and I will take the new microphone. It's now on Bluetooth mode, but I do the Bluetooth mode way by pressing 3 seconds on the other side, on the button here with the red, and I'm connecting the USB-C connection again. So the folder will show up again. I copy and paste the RX binary file again to the folder. It's folder D normally. It's busy with showing up, I think. External station connected. Voila. Paste. I paste the binary file to there. It's now copying. 0%. The other one went faster. Okay, 100%. Okay, we now disconnect the cable, the USB-C cable, and now it has to start blinking red and green again. Normally, if everything go right, yes, now it works. So this is how it goes. So this is normal. And now after some time, it is successful. If it starts blinking, then it's successful. When it stops blinking, I mean. So the blinking is almost finished now, I think. Voila. Voila, this is okay. So the blinking has stopped now. The update is complete. So you now can use the latest software in it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you for my next video. Bye. I just want to tell you that I found something out. If you connect the both receivers and you go to the settings menu, again, settings. I will show it to you. Settings. You can check with the settings, and you go to settings, and then to version here. There you can see not only the version of the firmware for the receiver. This is the receiver firmware version, but you also can see if you go to the right, the transmitter versions both. Now you see that both transmitters versions are on 04.03.08.03. So this means that TX1 and TX2, just the both transmitters, went totally successfully. So I still wanted to show you this, so then you can verify if your update went completely successful. And this update went successful. If you like my video, please like and please subscribe to my channel. I am giving away prizes really soon. You can win very nice prizes if you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later. Bye.